Girl, I almost missed you. I was at the store. The lady was taking forever to ring the stuff up.
You should have told her, listen, I gotta go pick a kid up.
That's what I said. I said, girl, come on. I got to go, honey. I gotta go. I gotta go pick up my daughter. But we gotta go back to the store because I didn't get all the stuff that I needed. Y'all, I am so over being pregnant. I literally cannot fit anything else in my closet. It's wash day. I refuse to go buy some maternity clothes, so I got a Kendall shirt on right now. Your girl is on swole.
It's the book and the board game I got for Paris. I ordered Paris on Sunday.
Cash flow. Oh, I heard about this. So she can understand money.
About time.
So she can stop spending our ish.
Exactly. I got the adult one coming tomorrow. Kid friendly, understanding.
Oh, I wish she didn't have practice so late tonight.
You gonna play over the break?
Yeah, that good stuff.
Excited. Yeah.
You like your sketties? How was practice? You're getting excited about your birthday coming up in a couple of days, girl? You're gonna be 9 years old. You don't know how to be 9.
Y'all ready?
You ready to lay down? You sleepy? Neither one of y'all got decent naps today.
Maybe you're ready to check up.
And none of your favorites.
They're delirious.
Check up.
Where you going?
She had to check up for she's birthday. She got her birthday crown.
Take off your heels, keep
On her head. Happy birthday to the baby. Happy birthday to the baby. Happy birthday to her. Yay! Happy birthday, baby. Yay! It's her birthday.
It's her birthday? Happy birthday.
She's a bear. You want to see, baby? So she's seeing cross applesauce. And we're going to get her a checkup. Daddy, we're going to get her a checkup.
Okay.
She's going to be alright. So I need to take her to check out. Mommy.
So what's up?
So she's a baby. Oh, Lord. She's a baby. Okay, we had to take her Dracula because they too hard.
Let's
Man,
go.
Come on. All aboard the daddy train.
Beep, beep,
Come on, Kai.
Go?
Yeah, let's go.
It's time to go. Bye-bye.
Say goodnight.
Good night.